English shadowing practice. Topic: 150 sentences. I'm at the restaurant. Trainer: James. Intro: James speaking. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to your English shadowing practice with James. Today, we're going to master 150 useful sentences you can use at a restaurant anywhere in the world. Here's how we'll do it. I'll say each sentence slowly. You listen. Then you repeat exactly after me. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Listen and repeat after me. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. We have a reservation. We have a reservation. The reservation is under my name. The reservation is under my name. Do you have a table available? Do you have a table available? Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? We would like a quiet table. We would like a quiet table. This table is perfect. Thank you. This table is perfect. Thank you. Part 2. Ordering drinks. May I see the drinks menu? May I see the drinks menu? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? Still or sparkling? Waiter asks. Still or sparkling? I'll have still water. I'll have still water. I'll take sparkling water. I'll take sparkling water. Can I have a cup of coffee? Can I have a cup of coffee? I'd like some tea, please. I'd like some tea, please. Could I get fresh juice? Could I get fresh juice? Part 3. Reading the menu. May I see the menu, please? May I see the menu, please? Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? What is in this dish? What is in this dish? Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. Part 4. Ordering food. I'd like the chicken soup, please. I'd like the chicken soup, please. I'll have the grilled fish. I'll have the grilled fish. Can I have it without onions? Can I have it without onions? Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? I'd like my steak medium rare. I'd like my steak medium rare. Could I have fries instead of salad? Could I have fries instead of salad? That will be all for now. Thank you. That will be all for now. Thank you. Part 5. During the meal, could we have some extra napkins? Could we have some extra napkins? Could I get some ketchup, please? Could I get some ketchup, please? Can I have more bread, please? Can I have more bread, please? Could I get another glass of water? Could I get another glass of water? Excuse me, we didn't order this. Excuse me, we didn't order this. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. Everything is delicious. Everything is delicious. Part 6. Asking for the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Could I pay by card? Could I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? Could we split the bill? Could we split the bill? Keep the change. Keep the change. Thank you. Everything was great. Thank you. Everything was great. Part 7. Small talk with the waiter. How long have you worked here? How long have you worked here? The service is excellent. The service is excellent. We'll definitely come back. We'll definitely come back. Closing. James speaking. Well done, my friends. You just practiced 150 useful restaurant sentences. Repeat this video every day until these sentences become automatic. If you enjoyed this practice, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next shadowing session.